In this guide, I will show you how to remove emergency call from lock screen on Android. This is a useful feature if you want to have a clean and simple lock screen without any unnecessary buttons or icons. Before we start, make sure you have set up a PIN or password for your screen lock for security and privacy. And let's get started. Begin by swiping down from the top of your screen and tap on the gear icon to access settings. In the settings, tap on passwords and security, or a similar option depending on your device. Then select screen lock, and this will take you to the screen lock settings where you can modify your lock settings. Enter your PIN or password to proceed. And next, tap on turn off screen lock. A confirmation pop-up window will appear. Tap OK to confirm and disable the screen lock. This action will also remove the emergency call options from the lock screen. And that's it. You've successfully removed the emergency call option from the lock screen on your Android device. Now, when you turn on your phone, you will see a simple lock screen without any buttons or icons. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.